The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your devices on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Evelyn Williams. This is ticket number P1275784. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tyron Ruck on behalf of Miss Evelyn Williams. Ms. Williams, state your name.
Evelyn Williams.
Counsel, how are we proceeding this morning?
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with my client. As such, she has presented a valid registration on a Land Rover expiration 9/23/22. That now takes care of both citations. We would ask for a dismissal.
All right. At this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request and dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. Williams, make sure you always keep everything up to date and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. I hope you can get to work in enough time, ma'am.
Yes, I'm about to now. Thank you.
All right, you're good. No problem. Have a good day.
Attorney Hart.
Yes, ma'am.
I have the offer for your client.
What is it?
If he pleads responsible, count 2, they will dismiss count 1.
I'm not sure which count is which.
Okay, count 1 is no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay,
Count 2 is defective brake.
okay. Can you put me in a breakout room with my client?
Yes.
Number 10. You should be able to join him in number 10, Mr. Hart.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk, do you know what room Jason Wright is in?
Jason Wright. Or Juan Wright. Maybe
I dated.
maybe they're Jason Wright. I guess they're Juan Wright.
And on the iPad, like any device that's kind of like a mobile tech device.
I'm gonna deal with Jason. I really got a-
Put this on mute, please. Attorney Hart, are you ready on your matter? Or you still? need to
I'm
talk
sorry,
to-
Judge. No, can I get a breakout room with the city attorney?
Okay, when he gets in, I will. So just hold tight and then you'll be
Okay.
able to talk to him, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no problem, of course.
I forgot.
Mr. Rucker,
Yes, ma'am.
just a reminder to ask the defendants to come to the courtroom when they're done talking. Please.
Oh, okay, let me go back and let Mr. Wright know.
Attorney Rucker? Attorney Rucker?
Yes,
You spoke with Jalen Wilson, but he has a attorney.
I can't hear you.
I said you spoke with Jalen Wilson, but he has a retained attorney.
Oh, so I don't need to talk to Mr. Whitmer anymore?
Wilson, Jalen Wilson. You spoke with Jalen Wilson. He has a retained attorney.
Oh, Jalen, I don't need to talk to him. Okay, do you know what room Whitner is in?
Whitner is in 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes. Good morning. This is Officer Shabazz again. I'm back in.
Hi, Officer Shabazz.
Hi.
The attorney did check in for your matter. And so we let him know that you appeared, so.
Okay. Is it okay if I check back in another program? I got 3 different Zoom courtrooms today.
You do, Officer Shabazz, how about this? We have your number, so if we need you for the hearing, we'll give you a call, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
All right. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Judge, I would like to speak with my client Jalen Wilson. Can you tell me which breakout room he is in?
He's in room 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Right here. Roy Washington. But I don't think. Attorney Rucker.
I want to call him out.
Good morning, Mr. Boy.
Good morning.
And what is your name, please?
My name is Rondell Wilkes. It's RONDELLWILKS.
Thank you.
So I could not figure out how to work this Zoom thing. I apologize about that.
No problem. Okay, I have you checked in, Mr. Wilkes. Mr. Wilkes, please put your phone on mute until you're asked to take it off of mute.
How do I do that?
Uh,
Is it right here? Hold on. That's not what I'm trying to do.
There should be an icon of a microphone. Just touch that.
My last name is WILKS. No.
Oh, my apologies. Thank you.
I'm trying to figure out how do you do that.
Do you see an icon that looks like a microphone?
I do, but it's like all it's telling me is, do I want to display the sound on my iPhone, the speaker, or on my Bluetooth speaker? It's not giving me an option to silence it.
Press the icon that looks like a microphone.
Your microphone is unmuted.
So,
Man, I wish you could see my screen. There's literally nothing on here.
okay. All right, I'll come back to you.
I'll just be quiet.
Okay, thank you. The other gentleman who signed in, you're on an iPhone? Please take your. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name, sir?
Joel Whitner.
Well, you were here earlier. Why did you leave the breakout room?
I was assigned to a break room.
Oh, my apologies. Have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to rename you, so that means you left the Zoom. So just one moment. Sorry, what did you say your name is again?
Joel Whitner.
Okay. And Mr. Whitner, you said that you're finished talking to the attorney. Mr. Rucker, are you finished with Mr. Whitner? Mr. Rucker. Okay. Okay, Mr. Whitner, did you finish talking with the attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to put you in a waiting room right now then, and you'll be there until the judge is ready to hear your case.
Okay.
Mr. Wilkes, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. It's a place where you will be all by yourself for quite a while, possibly a couple of hours. And Mr. Rucker, the attorney, will come in to talk with you about your case.
Hours?
Yes.
Yes.
He'll come in to talk with you about your rights.
Mr. Wilkes, today is your trial day. Do you need another day?
You said me?
Yes. I'm
Another
talking
day.
to you. This is your trial day. You seem perplexed right now about what's going on. You're doing a lot of movement. Are you not ready
I was
to
about
be
to make me a
on?
cup of tea. I just woke up.
Mr. Wilkes, pretend that you're in the courtroom, okay? And please conduct yourself as such. So if you don't, please have a seat. I'm going to put you in a breakout room for a moment and nobody will be able to see you, but it's a distraction when you're moving around, fixing your tea. Okay, you're in the courtroom actually, you're just on okay, but you're actually in a courtroom.
You're going in and out really, really bad right now. I'm sorry.
Okay, my apologies. I said you're actually in a courtroom. Okay, you're just on Zoom, so you don't have to come into the court, 36th District Court. So please conduct yourself, pretend that you're in the courtroom and conduct yourself as if you're in a courtroom, okay? But right now, I'm going to put you in what's called a breakout room. Nobody will be able to see you. Can you hear me?
I said, when I'm in the breakout room, can I make my tea?
Yes, because nobody will be able to see you or hear you at that time, okay? So, but when you're in the courtroom, please have a,
Because why would you get up before 8 o'clock if you got a trial date this day?
I didn't know today. To be honest, I woke up on my phone, told me that I had this. I completely forgot all about it. To be honest with you.
okay. Well, Mr. Rucker, the attorney will come into the breakout room to speak with you about your case.
Hours?
Pardon?
You said in a couple hours?
You may be on, before your case is resolved today, you will have waited here possibly a couple of hours, maybe more. There are a lot of defendants, and there's one attorney to talk with all the defendants who don't have their own attorney.
Right.
All right, so we'll just be patient.
Oh, so that's just like worst case scenario, just in case type thing.
It's a possibility.
That I am going to be on here for hours, right?
It's a possibility.
Right, it's a possibility. Okay.
A good possibility.
Okay, that's cool.
All right, so when you receive the invitation to join the breakout room, press join, and it'll take you to the breakout room. And Mr. Wilkes, while you're in the breakout room, please do not ask for help to ask if we forgot about you or if you're in the right place, okay?
I just got to leave the Zoom app open, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's cool.
When the attorney finishes talking, come back to the courtroom.
What happened?
When the attorney finishes talking to you, come back to the courtroom. Leave the breakout room.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so when you receive the invitation, press join.
Has Mr. Gillis checked in yet?
He hasn't.
All right.
You talked to those two individuals already though, Attorney Rucker?
Yes, I was wondering, have they sent me any more
No,
offers?
not yet, because we don't have any additional offers.
Oh, okay, so yeah, we're all set in on Mr. Whitner and
All right, and Mr. Washington,
Wright.
I'm gonna bring him out too because he didn't finish some of his requirements. All right.
what was that about the requirements?
Mr. Washington is on, he had some things to do. He didn't finish everything, so I'm gonna bring him out and see how much more time he needs to finish his community service.
Okay.
Well, Mr. Wright is in the room still. I don't think he enjoyed being in the waiting room. So Mr. Wright, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Juan Wright. This is ticket P1275476. This is one count of discharge of a firearm. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tyrone Rook on behalf of Mr. Juan Monroe Wright. Mr. Wright, state your name.
Juan Monroe Wright, Minister.
Your Honor, we have had an opportunity to pre-try this case as such. My client would like to go forward with the proposed plea whereby he would be pleading to the amended charge of disorderly conduct. He's indicated I have seen proof that this court, in this last court hearing, asked him to do several things, and he had the clearances saying he's taking care of all those things, and he wanted the court to know. So he's moving or has moved in the right direction. I ask that you take that into account.
All right. So you want to take advantage of this offer today, sir?
Yes.
All right. If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Affirm.
All right. You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Rucker in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today? We missed that.
Sorry about that call. No, Your Honor.
All right. Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Excuse me, can you repeat that?
Yes. Are you taking this guilty plea because you are guilty?
Yes.
And are you taking it of your own choice?
Yes, I am, Your
And do you
Honor.
un- And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a bench or jury trial in this particular matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. With all of that being said, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, yes.
All right. I'm going to take your attention back to the date of November 17th of 2021. Were you in the area of Shaner and Fairmont Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was, Your Honor.
And in that area, did you act in a disorderly manner?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Rucker?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge disorderly conduct. As a part of the plea, they're asking, I know it says SOS, it's really handgun intervention program. I'm pretty sure that's what he really meant, that you need to take. What happened that day, sir?
I was cleaning a shotgun, a long gun, and something was dislodged in it. Ammunition was dislodged in it. I couldn't get it out, and I went to my backyard where no one was around. There was no way that the projectile can be directed towards anyone's direction. Aimed it into the dirt and cleared the chamber.
Let me ask you this. Do you have your CPL?
No, it's not a handgun. No,
Okay.
it wasn't a handgun.
So you don't go to the ranges or anything like that. That's what you're,
Not yet. Not yet.
okay. Yes, you need to take the handgun intervention program, okay?
Okay.
So although you believe that you were doing what was right, we still can't go outside and shoot off guns, especially not in this area where we've heightened our alert. And I know we have additional police activity in that area and they can hear that. And you have neighbors who called probably thinking that something was going down.
Shot spotter.
Yep. So although I understand that you were trying to do what was best, yeah, you need to take the handgun intervention class, okay?
All right.
All right, I'm also gonna fine you $240, but I'm going to give you some time because you have to take this handgun intervention program as well. So I'm gonna give you 3 months to do both, okay?
Okay. Thank
All
you.
right, now, no problem. So that's December the 8th. For a review, you need to have taken the handgun intervention program and paid my fine of $240, okay? Let me give you the number to
Okay.
call so that you can know how to take the class, okay?
Okay.
You ready? 313
313
965
965
3414.
14.
Yep, and tell them you need to take the class. That should give you plenty of time. It's one Saturday. I know that you have to do that. If my understanding is correct, that's it. But then that gives you some time to be able to pay on that fine that I gave you as well. Okay, Mr. Wright?
Okay, thanks, Your Honor.
No problem. And then it'll be closed out under disorderly conduct, okay?
It won't show up on my record, will it? Because I just cleaned my record up and all of that stuff. So I'm trying.
Yes. It's a misdemeanor.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's a misdemeanor. Let me check. I don't give you bad information.
Your Honor,
Yes.
is it possible, if I could talk with the prosecutor, would the court be considered taking this under a delayed sentence if the prosecutor didn't have any issues with it, if he completed these classes?
Yes, but you have to talk to him. I don't have the authority on gun cases to do anything.
Who is the prosecutor for your courtroom, Your Honor?
It is gonna be John Gillis.
John Gillett?
Gillis. Gills, and he should be in here soon. Sometimes he gets backed up at the other courtroom, so. We're gonna pass your matter, Mr. Wright. He wants to ask for some additional, mercy from or relief, I guess I should say, relief from the prosecutor. So I'm gonna put you into the waiting room. Don't go back into the courtroom. It's just gonna say that the host is gonna let you in. Just know that I know that you're there, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Your Honor,
Yes.
do we know if the officer is here for my client, Mr. Terrence Williams?
No. I think that might be the only officer who didn't check in today.
Okay, good.
Mr. Whitner?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Joel Whitner. This is ticket P 1279593. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tyrone Rucker on behalf of Mr. Joel Whitner. Mr. Whitner, state your name.
Joel Whitner.
Your Honor, today is the date time set for a pretrial. My client, having been advised of his rights, would like to request a bench trial.
Stop moving. Hold on, Mr. Whitner, I love it. You went from someplace that was totally quiet to someplace by TV.
I couldn't hear you. I'm sorry.
I know you could, because you went from someplace quiet to someplace by TV.
I'm back in the quiet place.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. Is that right, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Because I don't understand.
Okay,
Like,
Mr. Winner, don't talk. Because then if you
Okay.
talk too much, I'm not gonna be able to have a bench trial. You're gonna have a jury trial. And I have 12 people on my list for a jury trial, and I don't have no dates for next year yet. So don't explain yourself now. Wait, okay?
okay.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Whitner, it's my understanding that you had an opportunity to talk to Attorney Rucker about your case and about your rights,
Yes, ma'am.
and you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm gonna set this for the date of December the 2nd. December the
December
2nd. Yep, you can write it down if you need to. 9 a.m.
December 2nd.
Yes. 9 a.m. via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed on today, same number and everything, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. And it's gonna be at 9 a.m. December 2nd via Zoom, okay, sir? And then you can explain yourself that day, but don't do it now, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. I'll see you back that day, sir, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
You do the same.
I will, thank you. Watch. I'm asking you. Yeah, he paid it. He paid his money down. Yeah. He just called yesterday. Set up. Why don't we? Mr. Washington? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Roy Washington. This is U ticket 5693742. This is one count of disorderly conduct. Today is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Counsel, your name for the record, please.
All right, welcome on behalf of Mr. Roy Washington.
All right. And now your name, Mr. Roy Washington. I said counsel first. Your name now.
Oh, Roy Washington, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Today is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Mr. Washington, have you completed all the terms and conditions of this review?
I took the physical, I paid the fine, and I got the class set up for the 24th, and I go Saturday for the community service.
Now, Mr. Washington, when did you
Yes,
call
ma'am.
to set up the community service?
Today.
Okay, I just gonna see if you were being honest, okay? How much more time do you need, Mr. Washington?
I say about 30. I have it all complete.
Do you want me to, that puts us October 10th. Is that gonna be enough time for you to, you said the class is on the 24th and you gotta do
Yeah.
the 20 hours service?
Yes, ma'am. I go to that this Saturday right here.
Okay, so that gives you enough time if we do it, adjourn until October 10th?
October 10th. Yes, ma'am. That'll be perfect.
Okay, all right, so I'm gonna, send it over to October 10th for a review. We did see that you paid the fine, so I know you paid the fine. You said you took the test and everything, Mr. Washington?
Yes, ma'am. I just have to class.
Okay,
I got
all
the
right,
class and the community service left.
okay, all right. All right, I'll give you some more time, Mr. Washington. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you back on October the 10th, okay? I come in at 8:45 for the review via Zoom, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you then, Mr. Washington. You enjoy the rest of your day, okay? Thank you.
You too, ma'am.
They all need to. Okay.
All right, let me get you all the files.
And then Attorney Russell did talk to you about.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
oh, okay, I thought the court had taken a recess.
No, John, Attorney Gillis just came in, so we're trying to get him up to date so that we can get him starting to talk to folks about different things. See, I know it's three of you who want to talk to him, so we're trying to get him up to date, so just give us a moment.
Okay, we can go if you're ready, Your Honor, with Mr. Williams.
And Judge, Mr. Wright is in the waiting room. He came from the breakout room and I put him right into the waiting room.
Right, we did his case already. That's the one we had to pass over for a moment because he wants to talk to him further about that.
Oh, I
About
see.
that.
Gotcha. Okay.
You said Mr. Williams, Terrence Williams?
Yes, ma'am, because he also has not checked in, right?
Yep.
Yes, you go back downtown, yeah, long to that church. After that, I don't know if you do. Yeah, you got that. Problem with yourself. Just take it before you pass out. You got out and pass out. Mhm. Okay, let me ask you one question. You know the girl over on Memphis, and I about over on the corner that she was. What, does she have an address? What street is it on? Perfect. So that's, you know, fun. But you know, the lady behind. She wants to piss off hers on him with privacy. Yeah, I told her, so you can't do from young. So, uh, I can decide that, yeah, but see, she owns on from Memphis, when she driving in there, and all of Richmond, you know, all that front there, from behind that. So I gotta figure out, what. Yeah, but if I let her do, yeah, if I let her do that, then everybody's gonna do it, they'll all be in my ass, but. Problem is, there's nothing to do with finding the front yard, other than.
Yes.
All right. Mr. Williams, can you turn your camera back on, please? Now calling the matter of People versus Terrence Williams Jr. This is ticket number P11074727. Sit up, sir. Just for me for a moment. Sir, you need to sit up. I can see you're lying in your bed. This is real court. All right. Ticket number P11074727. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tyron Rucker on behalf of Mr. Terrence Williams.
Sir, state your name for the record, please. Mr.
Terrence
Williams.
Williams. Terrence Williams.
This is the daytime set for a bench trial in this matter. Oh, I can't.
You can't prove that he's got a business, so I told her.
What's the pleasure, counsel?
Oh, Your Honor, I couldn't hear. I thought you were still talking. It is daytime set for a bench trial. The officer has not yet appeared. The time now is 9:56. At this point, we will ask for a dismissal, Your Honor.
This matter was scheduled on my docket for 9 a.m. bench trial. It is now 9:56 a.m. No officer having appeared for this matter, the court is going to grant your request and dismiss this without prejudice. Sir, you're all set for today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay. What you doing? What was wrong?
Good morning, Attorney Puda. Oh, okay. Well, his client is the top one when he gets back, and then we have Robert Young, and then I can sign on and speak to Albert Salah, and Jalen Wilson. I do not.
Oh, it's over there. So these are two more sessions here. That's Mark Park's one. Attorney Gillis, we're going to put you in with, first, go to room 1. Attorney, Salem, Salah, I'm sorry. All right, Attorney Hart, I'm gonna put you in there with him now, okay? There
Thank you,
go.
Judge.
You're welcome.
Judge, has the prosecuting attorney checked in? Mr. Gillis?
He has, and I tried to put you in a room with him, but you weren't paying attention, so he's in there talking to another attorney, and as soon as he finishes, I'll put you in there with him.
I promise I'm paying attention. I'm just jumping around this morning.
I know you are, and I should have said paying attention. I should
All
have
right.
said, figured that you were in another courtroom, so I just passed it for a moment, and you'll be able to talk to him, okay?
All right, thank you. I should have caught that.
No problem, all right. Bye-bye. All right, Attorney Gillis, I'm gonna put you, can you go back to room number 1 and attorney is gonna be ready to talk to you.
Wonderful. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Go ahead, attorney. I'm gonna put you in there now, room number 1.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Are you ready now, Attorney Hurd?
I believe so, Judge. I just got done talking to Mr. Gillis. He said he's going to write up a dismissal of the ticket, and that should take care of it.
All right. Attorney Rucker? Attorney Rucker,
Yes, Your Honor.
you have some new offers
Okay, they just sent them?
a moment ago, like probably about 5-10 minutes ago.
Okay, I'll pull it up on my computer.
All right.
All right.
dismissal.
Jury file, you said that downstairs. I believe that. I ain't, you should. That's why. Oh, okay. We shouldn't have. Okay. Too fast and get the same. The copy of the written order, give it back, and you sent it certified, right? Written order, right, certified as well as. About regular mail. Yeah. Came in here to do for, so we missed out that day, regular mail and certified. Mr. Wilson, could you just put yourself on mute until I'm ready to call your matter?
Okay.
Should I put him in the waiting room, Judge?
Oh, I'm sorry. I tried something.
Oh, Jalen Wilson. Okay, sorry.
We should be ready on that whenever the court is ready.
Okay. Mr. Wilson, I'm gonna put you into the waiting room because you're doing a lot of movement. It's okay, I have to do somebody else first. I can get his file back. I'm trying to get your client out right now, Attorney Hart. Oh, there he is. All right. Mr. Xavier Williams? Oh. All right. Now, call. You're not driving, are you?
I'm a passenger in the vehicle headed to my Lord.
All right, can you pull over to the side for a moment? Sometimes we lose reception and I don't want that on this.
Okay.
Jalen Wilson?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jalen Wilson. This is ticket number P12411028. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P12411027, expired plate. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Ticket number SP 12356622. One count failed to use a seatbelt assembly system effectively. Ticket number SP 12356571. 1 count violation of the basic speed law and or drove in an unsafe manner. Ticket number SP 12356572, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 12356573, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1235662, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number 204943021, driver's license never acquired. Ticket number 204943022, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 207154001, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Judge. May it please this most honorable court, Attorney Albert Sala, PA 3929, on behalf of defendant Jalen Wilson. Jalen, can you come off of mute and state your name for the record, please?
My name is Jalen Wilson. Again.
How are we proceeding today? Thank you.
Judge, I had an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor and we were able to pre-try this matter. It's my understanding that Mr. Wilson will be pleading to an improper plates. I believe there's 3 tickets being reduced. There's so many tickets, I don't even know which ones are being reduced, but I understand that he's pleading guilty to improper plates and pleading responsible to an expired plates and pleading responsible to a no seatbelt ticket.
You understand that, Mr. Wilson, and the remainder of the tickets will be dismissed?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that and you want to move forward with that today?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Wilson, have you had the chance to talk to your attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I'm going to take your attention first back to the date of August the 20th of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Lenoir and Dixon Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And Dix, not Dixon, Dix.
Oh, Dick, yeah, yes.
All right. And while you're driving it in that area, did you not have any car insurance on that vehicle at the time?
I did not have it.
All right. And reading from the tickets to establish a factual basis, that same date, time, and location, he did not have any, his plates were expired at the time.
Yes.
Also on the date of August the 8th of 2021, in the area of M39 and Paul Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Wilson was driving a Chevy vehicle and failed to use his seatbelt appropriately. Satisfied, attorney?
I'm satisfied, Judge. Thank you.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on ticket ending in 1028 and on ticket ending in 1027, count 1. Ticket SP 123566622, that is as charged. Sir, the fine for the civil infraction, the seatbelt is $65. The late, I think it's a late fine, is to be waived. That ticket is $65. The expired plate is $145. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay those 2 tickets. Is that enough time for you?
Judge, can we respectfully request that he have 30 days to pay?
All right, he can have 30 days to pay the 210. On the last ticket, I'm going to charge him $200 because he has so many tickets he's getting dismissed, and I'll give him an additional month to pay that. So the 210 is due by October 10th, 2022. The remaining 200 is due November 8th, 2022. The remainder of the tickets will be dismissed. Any reinstatement fees may not be included in this price, Mr. Wilson, so you'll have to talk to your attorney about the additional costs. Those are $45. I don't know if you have any, and I don't know how many you have, but that's not included in this total cost I gave you today, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you go for all set. Thank you for your patience this morning.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day, you and your staff.
Hey, can I
You
talk
too,
to you
thank-
in private?
Yeah,
real quick?
Jalen, call the office in a half hour, okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Mr. Williams, can you unmute yourself for me, please? There you go. Unmute. See it? Okay, fantastic. Thank you for pulling over. Recalling the matter of the people versus Xavier Williams. This is ticket P 1322687. Count one. Nope. You can't hear us? Can you hear
No,
us?
someone was calling at the same time you started talking.
Okay, I'll start all over again, okay, Mr. Williams?
Yep.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Xavier Williams. This is ticket P 1322687. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, defective brake lights. Appearances for the record, starting with his counsel, Attorney Hart.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Hart appearing on behalf of Mr. Williams.
And Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Xavier Williams.
Attorney Hart.
Your Honor, I met with the city attorney this morning. It's my understanding that he's presented the court with a dismissal form. We're asking that the entire ticket be dismissed, both counts.
I have been presented with that form at this time, because you have valid documentation now and you got your tail light fixed, Mr. Williams, they are going to dismiss this matter without prejudice, okay? Make sure you keep everything up to date all the time, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you so much, and thank you for pulling over. Tell your driver, thank you for pulling over. That concludes this hearing.
Thank you, Judge. Take care.
All right.
You're
Thank you very much, bro. I'll see you in a little bit, Hart.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I'll see you in a little bit, Hart. All right.
All right. Attorney Kuta?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. The offer is blockading on your client. The officer did check in. He may not be present on the screen right now, but I can get him back because I have all the officers.
We'll accept that, Your Honor.
Let me call it on the record then, okay?
All right.
Now calling the matter of the people versus, I'm gonna spell the name. SHAGHAYEGH. That's his first name. Last name is YAGHMAIE. This is ticket number SP 13159391. This is one count speeding, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. May I have your appearance for the record, sir?
Good morning, Your Honor. Julian Puda, P67520 on behalf of the defendant.
All right. And is your client going to be with us online today?
No, Your Honor. We asked that you waive her appearance. I have authority to enter into a plea on her behalf.
All right. And at this time, the court has had the officer check in on this matter. The offer today is blockading. Would you like to take that on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. We plead responsible to the added count of blockading.
All right. So on the date of February the 21st of 2022 in the area of Grand River and Beaverland in the city of Detroit, your client was driving a Ford vehicle and did block traffic. Are you satisfied with that?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea of responsible to the amended charge of blockading. Sir, the fine for that is $175. Typically, civil infractions are due in 14 days. Is that enough time for your client to pay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna have it paid no later than September the 22nd, 2022. And before you get off the record, could you tell me how to pronounce your client's name, please?
Yagmai is the last name.
Okay, Yagmai, thank you, Miss Yagmai. Please let her know that she needs to pay that $175 by September 22nd.
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
Thank you. All right, you too. Thank you.
Yep, bye.
Bye-bye.
So you blocked me, huh? So you blocked me, huh? Oh.
Attorney Rucker, can you hear us? Can you turn your audio up? Because we can't hear you. We still can't hear you. We can see you, but we can't hear you. Attorney Rucker, can you hear us now?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I was asking what I don't forgot what room number Wingate is in and Young.
Okay, Robert Young is in group 6. Sonia Wingate is in group 8.
You only spoke to one person all that time?
No, I spoke with both of them, but I still couldn't figure out, but I think we're gonna go ahead with it. The prosecutor didn't put down what case it is, and he's dismissing cases that aren't even on my docket sheet, but yeah, we're good.
Have you spoken with Rondell Wilkes in room 11?
Wilkes.
Wingate and Wilkes is for a trial, and the officers are here.
Okay, I've spoken with well, I gotta see what Wingate wants to do. Wilkes. Yeah, I gotta find his again, but yeah, I saw his. Okay. What room is Wilkes in?
11.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, hold tight, Mr. Wright.
Martel Cross.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Is your last name Cross? You are Martel Cross?
Yes.
I think you might be in the wrong courtroom. I just need to find my sheet to tell you where you should be. Judge Taylor does not hear cases that begin with C.
See. So what room number is?
I was looking for that. Now, Mary or Stacy or Judge, if you have your sheet, I can't find it right now to tell them.
435. 435, sir.
435.
Yeah, she got the pen out now.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yes.
Hi, officer.
Hi, what time is Capias?
The case is at 10 o'clock, but however, your client, the defendant is here. We are waiting on the defense attorney who spoke with her for about a half an hour. I don't know what's gonna take place. She's here.
Oh, okay, Your Honor.
She's here, officer. I know. I don't, I'm sorry it's taking so long.
Okay.
As soon as we can get you going, we're gonna get you going, I promise.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Madam Clerk,
Yes,
yeah, were you guys calling me?
I'm just trying, Attorney Rucker, I'm just
Yes,
trying to
ma'am.
find out an estimated time by when you think we might be able to do these last 4 matters.
Before I have I have a Wilkes, and a young lady Wingate. Who's the fourth
Mr.
one?
Wright, Mr. Wright has been waiting because now I have an answer. We are going to do it under delayed sentence
Oh,
for
okay.
him. So-
Okay, yeah, Gillis never got with me, so, but here's the thing, Your Honor. I'm just getting this for the first time. Ms. Wingate wants to go forward with the trial, so I'm trying to catch up. Can you hear me?
All right, it's fine. We can have it. Let me get the officer back on. How's everybody else going?
Well, Mr. Young, we were trying to figure out what it was because the prosecutor put down cases that aren't on my docket. So we just like to ask you, I think he's gonna take.
Mr. Rucker, just when you have those things, just come out here and tell me so that way I can tell you what they are. What I do is I pull every single matter that they have so they don't have to come back. You don't have to play any guessing games because they don't know half of the time how many tickets they have. Just always come back and ask me so we can expedite the process. That's fine, because now I have officers who are waiting and we could have started this trial we could have got the other people out and then started this trial now. So so if you need to know what the other cases are, Officer Fitzgerald, I'll get the attorney back for your case so that you can be able to see your information and talk to the other people so that we can handle it.
Oh, okay, Your Honor, then we can go ahead and get started because I told him, he said we could do that on the record. He wants to go with it. We believe it's connected to the other ones. So we can go ahead and start, but the length of time was with the trial because I'm trying to figure out, I've never seen anything. I don't have anything. So I'm trying to get my client's perspective so I can adequately try to defend her. So.
Mr. Wainwright?
Yes.
All right. Recalling the matter of the people versus Wainwright. This is ticket P 1275476. This is one count discharge firearm. We're on the record previously. He had pled to the disorderly conduct. There's been a change in the offer, Mr. Wright, but it's as charged, but in 3 months, they'll dismiss this as long as you pay my cost and fine and take the handgun intervention class.
That's fine, Your Honor.
Okay. So what ends up happening, so you know, is that it'll be on the record, but it will show dismissed. So it's not like it gets eliminated altogether, but it will say dismissed. Okay?
Okay. Yep.
All right.
Yep. Thanks. Thanks, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. Did I recall this yet, Sandy? Okay, all right. Mr. Wright, you're still under oath. We had gone through swearing you in and everything, but now I just need to ask the question pertaining to this ticket as far as getting a plea for discharge of a firearm. Like I said, it'll be as charged, but now in 3 months, that same date I gave you of December the 8th, you'll come back and instead I'll dismiss it that day instead of just closing it out, okay?
Okay.
All right, so at that date on November 17th, 2021, in the area of Shaner and Fairmont Drive, did you discharge a firearm?
Yes.
And was that in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Rucker?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well. My fine is $240. You have to take the handgun intervention class. As long as you do all of that, December the 8th, I'm going to dismiss this case. That sound good, Mr. Wright?
Yes, it does. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. Thank you for your patience this morning. I really appreciate it. You can sign off now, okay?
No problem. Okay, I can go.
You can go. You're all set.
Okay, looking real nice too, Judge, I will say.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
All right.
All right. Have a good day.
Okay, you too.
Are we still on Zoom on public hearing, Your Honor?
We are indeed.
Okay.
All right. All right, and you said you had talked to Mr. Young and Mr. Wilkes, and they're set with their offers?
Yes, Your Honor. We're just gonna put what that case is on Mr. Young. Yes.
Okay. Mr. Wilkes?
Hello,
Hello.
good morning. How are you
Good
today?
morning. Good morning, good morning.
Your Honor.
Good morning, you're fine. Now calling the matters of the people versus Rondell Wilkes. Ticket number P 1251420, count 1, drive while license suspended, count 2, expired plate, count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P 1251477, improper lane usage. These tickets were set for a bench trial today. The remaining tickets are scheduled on my docket for later dates. That's ticket SP 136297771, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 136297772, one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 136297791, no valid registration certificate. Ticket number SP 136297792, expired plate. Ticket number SX 40067711. That's one count, drove while license not valid or improper license. That's the phone still, Mr. Wilkes. That's the phone still. And ticket number SX 40067712, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tyrone Ruck on behalf of Mr. Rondell Wilkes.
All right, Mr. Wilkes, state your name for the record, please.
Rondell Fitzy Wilkes.
All right. Today is the date time set for 2 of the tickets for trial. However, we've included in this offer the remaining tickets that you had scheduled for later dates, Mr. Wilkes. Do you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Could you repeat that one more time?
I said, so today you had 2 tickets set for bench trial. Officer Knapp did check in. On those
You said
2
they
tickets,
didn't check in?
they did check in. He checked in. He came
Okay.
in physically to the courtroom and checked in. But we've included in this offer that if you plead to those 2 counts, we'll dismiss all the remaining tickets that you have.
So if I plead to something, you're gonna dismiss everything else?
If you plead to expired plate, which is $140 civil infraction ticket, as well as the amended charge of improper plate, which is determined by myself, the remaining tickets will be dismissed today. So since
Okay.
it was a bench trial that was scheduled, we can just take care of the bench trial tickets if you would like to. But we've included all the rest of the tickets that you have for future court dates so far that are in the system for today's plea, if you would like to take it.
Okay. I believe that sounds like a great idea, actually. I think so.
Okay. So the remaining court dates that you had, the November the 15th day, and the September, I believe you had a September the 23rd date. We're taking care of all of those today with this plea to the 2 counts.
Okay. I like the sound of that. I like the sound of that a lot.
All right. If you want to take advantage of this offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
You talk about Attorney Tyrone Rucker? Yes.
Yes. Yep. Did
Yes.
anyone force you or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, nobody did none of that. No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice today?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you
Your
understand that by taking, yes, it's okay. And do you understand that by taking this plea today, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters before the court today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today? Like, go ahead.
My speaker just turned. Hold on. Hello?
Hello, can you hear us?
Okay, I can hear you now. What'd you say? My speaker just went out.
It's okay. If somebody was calling you, sometimes that's what will happen, okay? It'll just go out for a second. Just let me know. I need to repeat it. So I said, do you want to move forward today knowing all of that information, Mr. Wilkes?
Yes. Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right.
I can move
All right.
forward.
So I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 16th of 2021. Were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of West Chicago and St. Mary Street in the city of Detroit?
Oh, that's what this ticket is about? Yeah, I do remember that. Yeah, I do.
Yes, this is what this ticket is about.
You was
okay?
actually there when I got that ticket.
Okay,
Remember?
Mr. Wilkes, stay focused.
I'm sorry.
Stay focused.
I'm sorry.
This is my record.
I apologize.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it have expired plates on it at the time?
I believe it did. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Right. And did you also not have any proof of car insurance at the time?
I may have had some insurance. I just didn't. Oh no, I did have it in my text messages. I just didn't show them, I don't think. But I didn't have it on me like a physical. I still don't even have a physical copy of it, to be honest with you. Like to this day. And that's like a year later. But so I guess no, I did not, Your Honor.
Did you have your was your license suspended at the time you were driving?
I believe so, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So we do the drove while license suspended, reduced to an improper plate instead, and the plate were expired. You didn't register them with the Secretary of State's office that year, correct?
Yes.
Yes, I'm correct.
Yes, you are correct.
All right. Satisfied, Attorney Rucker?
Think he on mute.
I know, he is.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this time the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on count 1 of ticket ending in 1420, count 2, expired plates as charged, plea of responsible. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Yes, Mr. Wilkes.
I just got a question. So not too long ago, I enrolled into this program called the Clean Slate program. And I was wondering, like now since I'm like in that and y'all just like dismiss something, like will I be able to go to the Secretary of State, get them a couple dollars and just give me like a regular driver's license? And I got insurance on my truck. I should be able to get everything with no problem.
What's happened is I'm going to assess some fines today, okay? You pay all those fines, you pay any reinstatement fees that need to be paid at 36th District Court, and we give clearance to the Secretary of State's office. But this is only for the city of Detroit. If you owe tickets in any other city, you have to take care of all of those in order to try and get your license back.
Dang.
Okay? I know. So you got to take each
Crazy.
city. We only do Detroit tickets. So I can only handle the tickets in Detroit. So this is, we pulled all that are currently in the system. So hopefully you haven't gotten any new tickets, okay? Beyond this time that are already in the system.
I believe that I don't. I think I did actually, but I don't know how that's gonna work because I wasn't
Well,
even
if you
driving.
notice, Mr. Wilkes, that you owe some more and you have some other tickets beyond these dates that I told you of September 23rd and November 15th, then you do have to come back to court, okay? Those are the only tickets I was able to pull today. It's for court dates on those because those are the ones that are in the system right now, okay?
Do you do it tell you like what happened on those 2 dates? Or like what was the offense? So I can maybe like remember.
I said them. So one of them happened in the area of Greenfield and Kendall Streets.
Oh yeah,
And
that's
the
the
other-
one I was just talking about.
Okay, another one happened in West McNichols and LaSalle.
I don't even remember that one, but I definitely remember that Greenfield and Kendall at the store in the parking lot.
Okay, so we handled those tickets today. Actually, all of those tickets got dismissed today. Okay?
Thank you so much. I love you.
Right.
Yes.
So your fine for these tickets, sir,
I like that.
expired plates is $145. Typically,
Okay.
you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
14 days to pay $145.
Yes.
Yeah, I get paid next week. Yep. And then I should be all clear for Detroit at least, right? And then I just got to go to other places and figure out what's
You
next.
got one other ticket from me too.
I got another ticket from you?
I'm saying, because you pled to 2 counts today. Remember, you pled to the driving while license suspended that's been amended to an improper plate, and you pled to the expired plates, right?
Okay.
Okay, so I just gave you the fine for the 1 ticket so far, okay?
Okay.
What's your current employment situation?
My current who?
Employment situation.
I'm self-employed and actually just got a job too at Home Depot.
Okay. How many other tickets do you have out there, Mr. Wood? Beyond Detroit?
I'm not sure, but it's a lot, and it's all like the same thing. It's not a lot. I don't have speeding tickets. I literally just have a bunch of bad plate, bad insurance tickets. Like not even one speeding ticket on my record. Nothing. Just bad insurance.
But you see how important it is, right? Everywhere you drive, you keep getting these tickets.
I mean, yes, I do. Yes, Your Honor, I do.
And I know y'all will tell me because I gotta get to work. Yeah, but you keep getting these tickets, and then you rack up all the money for these tickets, right?
Thousands of dollars, yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a huge break today because I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on your other ticket. I don't know why, but I'm gonna do it.
Oh my
But
God,
you
thank
have to pay this other ticket on September the 22nd, 2022. And you need to fix all of this. You gotta come
And that's 14 days from now, right?
14 days from now, okay? You gotta figure out if you owe any more costs and fines. Let me see, she did do a printout. You do. So you need to come down here and start paying on it, okay? You owe some tickets from a long time ago that you never paid.
So about
Okay?
how much right now? Like 30.
So I did the 145 for that ticket. I'm waiving the cost and fees on the other ticket. The rest of the ticket you owe comes to,
Man, I feel like it's like dun dun dun.
$1,452. Wait a second.
It's like drum roll, please. Grrr. Shot me.
Okay, all right. So we're gonna try and see, I might take off the late fees, okay? Mr. Will,
Okay.
but
I
you
would
gotta
appreciate.
get all this together, okay? I can't do anything better. That's it.
I appreciate you for trying and you know what I'm saying, doing what you can do. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate your life. Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
very welcome, okay? But you gotta take care of this. I want you to be serious, because what happens when you get another ticket? Guess what courtroom you come back to?
I'll get to come back to you.
Yes, but I'm gonna remember, and I'm not gonna be happy because you need to take care of this stuff, and I'm gonna be able
Yeah,
to look at the system and see if you're taking care of it.
I don't want to have to come back. I don't want us to have to meet on these terms again, maybe on other terms, but not these terms.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Wood. You have a good day, okay? You have any more questions, just pay that ticket in 14 days, that 145, and then start working on making payments on the rest of your tickets so you can take care of everything, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you this
No
morning.
problem. You have a fantastic day. Thank you for your patience today, too. I know you waited for a long time. Thank you so much.
All right. You have a great one.
You too. Thank you. Bye.
How you think of leave? Leave.
Mr. Young?
And 616.
Yes.
All right, that background noise, you're gonna have to limit it for a moment while we do your matters, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matters of the people. First is Robert Young. This is U ticket 633-93322. One count rules and regulations, owners, managers, or operation prohibited conduct. U ticket 630174222. One count prohibited conduct, entertainers or patrons. U-Ticket. 63017322, prohibited conduct, entertainers or patrons. SX 3752481, drove while license not valid or improper license. Case number SP 1246295, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2 of that ticket is speeding 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Ticket SX 35920341, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please. Off mute.
Tyron Rucker on behalf of Mr. Robert Demetrius Young. Mr. Young, state your name. Mr. Young, state your name.
Robert Young.
How are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, you have read the tickets and what the charges are. My client has indicated that I believe he wants to go forward if they were related to what their initial ticket was. So I believe it is own, management, operate, those two that, so he did. He just wanted to know what they were, and I believe you called them out. Do you understand now, Mr. Young, what those tickets are for?
Yes.
Okay. And you still want to go forward with what we talked about, plead to those two and the others being dismissed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Young, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, put your hand down. Mr. Young, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 8th, 2022. Were you at the location of 8140 Michigan Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And there's a business located at that address?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and did some prohibited conduct take place between entertainers and or patrons of that location?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you go to channel 1? Can you put yourself on mute for a minute? All right, the channel, you real close to the radio that you at. I know you may be at work, but it's real loud. I can hear you. Switch to channel 1 and 2. Okay, Mr. Young?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, all right. So, and this happened twice on that day?
It was just one incident that I recall.
Okay. Was it 2 different people?
No, just one. You know, usually when they write those tickets, they be trying to write a bunch of them.
Okay. Well, it's times 2, that's why I was asking. It's 2 plus 1. So it may be for the entertainer touching as well as the patriot touching, okay?
Oh, okay.
Patron, I can call it patron touching, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, Attorney Rucker?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's going to enter 2 counts of prohibited conduct. On behalf of Mr. Young, the remaining counts called on the record today will be dismissed. Sir, this is under a 12-month delayed sentence. What that means is that at the end of the 12 months, as long as you have no new tickets like this from this business, these will be dismissed.
Okay.
What is your role in this? Can I ask you that? What's your role in this business? Do you own this club?
I'm a club manager.
All right. Artificial sweeteners are used in lots of. Give me one second. Now, a new study finds another possible. All right. Mr. Young? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Young, I'm gonna do $100 fine on each ticket, okay?
Oh.
But you have the year to pay it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And as long as you pay the fine on each one of the tickets, then I'll be able to dismiss it, as long as you get no new tickets. So make sure you, as a manager, you make sure this doesn't happen again, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's nothing further. We'll have a review date of this a year from now. So it'll be September the 8th of 2023. You'll get notice of it though, okay?
Okay.
All right, September 8th, 2023.
Okay. Okay.
$100, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a good day, okay?
All right, you too.
All right. Bye-bye.
Your Honor,
Yes,
I think we're left with Miss Wingate now, right?
we are. We're going, this is
I think, and I could be wrong, Your Honor, but I don't think we can proceed today with trial if the officer is the only one here. This case seems to stem from a failed report or leaving the scene of an accident. Otherwise, it's just going to be hearsay with the police report if the complainant is not here. And I don't think I've seen anyone that's the complainant. So just putting the court on record. That's all.
and Mr. Rucker, I know. So next time, early on, just so you know, if that person starts saying that they would like to have a trial, it's cool. Just let me know so I can ask my courtroom person to talk to the officer, because we would have had that information long ago that we couldn't proceed today.
Oh, okay, yeah, no problem. I was just looking at it, getting ready for trial. I'm saying, wait a minute. They don't have I don't believe they have any witnesses. So I just really kind of noticed that, but I'll do that.
But when you see that on the docket, when you see a trial, and you see the officer is there, make it your urgency to talk to the person, because if they want to have a trial, that means I'll get my courtroom prosecutor to talk to the officer so I can see if we can even move forward on it. All right, Mr. Wingate?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Sonia Wingate. This is ticket P1194187. Count 1, leave scene of accident, property damage. Count 2, failed to provide info regarding accident. Count 3, failed to report accident. Also calling ticket number P1194182. This is one count, failed to stop within assured clear distance ahead. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tyrone Rupp on behalf of Miss Sonia Vivian Wingate. Ms. Wingate, state your name.
Sonia Vivian Wingate.
I do have Officer Harris here as well. Officer Harris, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Officer Fitzgerald Harris.
I'm showing you just because it's some background, okay?
Oh.
All right. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this particular matter. Officer Harris has been on. He had the opportunity to speak with the attorney for the city of Detroit, John Gillis, and it's my understanding that at this point in time, we do not have the civilian witnesses necessary for this particular matter. So is there a motion, attorney?
Your Honor, that being said, defense would now enter a motion to dismiss for lack of a complainant to prosecute.
All right. At this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Wingate, if the officers do find the witnesses, they can refile this. But as of today, this matter is dismissed without prejudice, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Have a good day, okay? Be safe,
All right.
officer.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You're
Take care,
welcome.
Harold.
Be safe, Ms. Wingate,
Oh.
okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, are we off YouTube?
No, not yet.